The 2025 Nissan Armada is bigger, bolder, and more advanced than ever before. If you're looking for a full-size SUV that combines power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology, the new Armada is ready to exceed expectations. Whether you're conquering rugged terrain or cruising in ultimate comfort, this SUV is built to do it all. Nissan has completely redesigned the Armada for 2025, giving it a stronger, more muscular stance while refining every detail to enhance comfort and performance. This SUV isn't just about size, it's about presence. With its powerful V8 engine, improved fuel efficiency, and intelligent ProPILOT system, the Armada is engineered to take on any challenge. Whether you're towing a heavy trailer, tackling snowy roads, or embarking on a family road trip, this SUV offers the perfect blend of brute strength and smooth handling. Under the hood, the 2025 Armada packs a 5.6-liter V8 engine, delivering an impressive 400 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, it ensures effortless acceleration and seamless shifts. Nissan has also introduced a hybrid variant, providing improved fuel efficiency without compromising performance. The advanced 4x system with terrain modes adapts to changing conditions, making off-road adventures easier than ever. And with an 8,500-pound towing capacity, the Armada is more than capable of hauling boats, trailers, or heavy gear. The exterior design is bolder and more refined, featuring an imposing front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a sculpted body that gives it a commanding presence. The aerodynamic lines improve efficiency, while the new 22-inch alloy wheels add a premium touch. Nissan has also enhanced practicality with a hands-free power liftgate and roof rails for added cargo options. Whether parked in the city or venturing into the wild, the Armada's design ensures it stands out wherever it goes. Inside, the 2025 Armada is a sanctuary of luxury and technology. The cabin features premium leather seating, a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and a fully digital instrument cluster. The Bose premium sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, while tri-zone climate control ensures comfort for all passengers. The captain's chairs in the second row provide first-class seating, and the third row space has been improved for even more comfort. With wireless charging, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a panoramic sunroof, the Armada redefines what a full-size SUV can offer. The 2025 Nissan Armada is more than just an SUV. It's an experience of power, luxury, and adventure. Whether you're heading off the beaten path or simply enjoying a comfortable drive, this SUV is built to handle it all. Nissan has created a true flagship vehicle, setting a new standard for full-size SUVs.